As always, please retry the question before watching the video. There's only one thing you need to know to be able to answer this question. If you don't know the answer, please add it to your cheat sheet, master it, and go back 5 before continuing in the video. And that is, what should you not read when considering clause questions? The answer to that is parentheticals. You should not read the parentheticals when considering clause questions. We also call them comma sandwiches. They're not always commas that start and end them, but it's an easy way to remember. With that in mind, let's go ahead and take a look at number 2. So we're going to read each of these without reading the parentheticals, because parentheticals are by definition non-essential information. And so the sentence still needs to make sense after removing the information, and we can eliminate it if it doesn't. So answer F, using traditional Brazilian ingredients, maniac root, and even ants. So one, there needs to be some sort of transition word between the traditional Brazilian ingredients and listing out those ingredients. And so this removes that transition word. And so that's not okay. We can go ahead and eliminate answer F. We're going to skip G. We'll come back at the end. And for now, we'll look at H. Let's read H without reading the parenthetical. Using traditional Brazilian ingredients such as in innovative ways, da da da. So we can tell that is missing essential. Such as, it starts us with that, but then we don't know what the such as is. So answer H is gone when we eliminate the parenthetical. Answer J, using traditional Brazilian ingredients such as and even ants. So when we have and even ants, we know that something needed to come prior to that, and it removed maniac root, or however you pronounce it, when they put parentheticals around it. Therefore, we can eliminate answer J. And that's just going to leave us with G, which is indeed the correct answer. So let's read G without reading the parentheticals. Using traditional Brazilian ingredients in innovative ways, he has thrilled dinners from around the world. So, or diners, sorry. He has thrilled diners from around the world. So this sounds perfect. The sentence is intact when we remove the parenthetical, and therefore this is confirmed our correct answer. If this made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet. Write what you learned in the answer on the explanation side, and then continue on to do the remaining Clause 1 questions that you missed on this test. If this is the final Clause 1 question that you missed on this test, please go ahead and do the Clause 1 mastery until you get 10 questions correct in a row before coming back, working on the next category that you missed the most of.